Welcome to Grow Overload. I'm Anthony, and I purchased the ISOtunes Sport Defy. I purchased the ISOtunes Sport Defy just a couple days ago, and what came in the box here before I drop it on the floor, before we open up this box, or the package I could say, was they do have a little thing, don't stop here, connect with us, and then have a little bit more about what do you think and where you can review it. And I will do a review here once I try them out a little bit more. They have an ISOtunes Sports sticker, and then they have a warning that this product automatically shuts off to preserve the life of the battery. So this model will turn off after 2 hours if not connected to a Bluetooth device, and then that's the advanced. And the Defy model, so this model, will shut off in 4 hours. So here's that said, and then you'll be able to see. So there's also an advanced, and that one goes in ear, and I wasn't a huge fan of that, so I didn't purchase that. I just purchased this one. They're $129 for these. I have, just to put it in comparison, this is the ISOtune Link. I had it go, it's right there behind me, so the box. But these I've been using quite a bit to do yard work, etc., and they work quite well. And here's a little bit. They just go around. So this is the front of the box. There they say about 11 hours of battery time, 22 hours with AAA batteries, Bluetooth 4.2 technology, 8 times the hearing amplification. It has a tactical sound technology which protects you during high impact noises, noise isolation microphone which blocks noise for clear calls in large environments, and this is IPX4 sweat and water resistant there. And then here so the ISOtunes tactical sound technology on here says proprietary technology that protects you from high impact noises in less than 2 milliseconds. With 8 times hearing amplification, you'll never miss what's going on around you. So that I will let you, if it decides to focus there, you can see that is, and this is a really shiny box. I think they're trying to do a little bit of like a camo type in here, and then the back of the box, which is just information I kind of read off before, and then it's a noise reduction rate of 24 decibels, and then SR or SNR of 30 decibels. I don't really know what the difference is there, but here's that set of box, and then let's open this thing up. So, I did not actually open this up, and the tape is already broken off. That could have been through the postal service, just tossing this around. There we go. Let's see here. So that's the inside of the box. Okay, we're done. No. We have the headphones in the bubble wrap, and then 2 other devices there, which is the charging cable, which I think they gave me a larger charging cable than the ISOtunes Link, which is a benefit. Yeah, so that's a rough, a good length there for that. And then here's your instructions. There we go. Bubble wrap. The kids can play with that. Then, if you notice in there, there's still another quick start guide. And the quick start guide here says ear cups, charging, Bluetooth, pairing. So, got that. And then on here, it is just showing you what everything can do. So it has the multifunction middle button, and then volume up down, technical sound up down, that's interesting. So Yeah, they don't have on here any way to. So I'll do it. So on this one, instead of tactical sound, it has, hey, let's move it forward and backwards of sound. And this one doesn't look like it'll have that. It has tactical sound. Now, they have the same kind of head thing. So one thing I did on my last unboxing was when I took these apart on the orange ones, the links, I did not take out those things. Thanks for the comments below on the last video for people telling me that. I figured it out eventually, and especially with your help, it was a lot easier. So, um, we'll see this. This is right and left. Let's see there. They fit comfortably. Yeah, I'm trying to decide here. So on, just to compare, well, I'm doing a tour. I'll let you see a little bit of both here. So if you look at the top of these, now on the orange ones, you'll see that there's a little cord hanging down. That gets annoying. I will tell you that. It kind of eats into your top of your head while you're wearing these for a very long period of time, because I've worn them for 8 hours straight and multiple days in a row, and that cord doesn't always stay up in there. Now, in the rubber grommet, I think a piece of foam on here would make a real deal of wonders, but they did not add that to this one. This one is more well done. You know, they probably learned from that one a little bit in the manufacturing process, a little bit here. So this is the headphones, and then you have inside, you can see the right and left, so they just go over there, and from that point on you have your volume, you have your multifunction button in the middle, and then you have your tactical sound, as they say on there, as I say in the quick guide, I should say. They said tactical sound control, so you can turn that up and down. The multifunction button you can hold, um, if you hold it for 1 second, it will open up like Google Talk and stuff, your microphone, and then if you hold it for 3 seconds, it turns it on and off. If you press once, it's to call somebody, to pick up a call, or to play pause. So yeah, I don't know if there's a way to make it jump to the next track at all, but that'll be something I'll test out here. So then we got these little rubber grommets at the bottom. This one just is empty, and then this one is where the charger is. Now, this looks like it's just as close as the old ones that I was using. Yes, so if you look at those side by side, or try to there, they're very close to where the rubber grommet bends. You have to be careful with what type of USB cord you connect into, because they will sometimes interfere with the rubber grommet, and so you can't get them in. So this one works quite well, and there's no issues if you use their cable, which is a good thing to know. So then the last part is that we got this side where the battery is, and it is, oh wow, so they put a little foam piece in there to help hold the battery in. There's the battery, and they're supposed to last for 11 hours, 22 hours with more AAAs. It locks. This battery is way improved on the ISOtunes links that I have. Now granted, these were, when they first put these out, I ordered these, so if they might have made a little bit of adjustments to them, which I think was needed, but these look like they have a little bit better fit and finish to them. I think they did a better job of these. So let me know though what you guys want tested. I'll be more than willing to help. I'll test these out for, let's say, a month or two, and then I'll do a review of these, kind of like the last time I did the ISOtunes links here. But they seem to work. Who knows? My kids would probably walk off with them now that I got two pairs, and I only need one at a time mostly. but I'm going to see how these can actually compare to the ISOtunes links. And I do try to do some tactical stuff with them as well, so that I have that um, uh, a ability to review that part of it as well. So with that, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for taking time to help support Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. This was the ISOtunes link, or ISOtunes Sport Defy, ISOtunes Sport Defy. And let me know what questions you have on these. And until next time, I appreciate you guys helping out this channel and helping it grow, and just being a community here. It's been really great to see how you guys continue to support Gray Overload and helping this channel grow. Until next time, God bless, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.